Imagine a soldier sitting hundreds of kilometers away from the battlefield. With just a screen, an internet connection, and a remote control system, that soldier can destroy a military target without ever seeing it in person. Now imagine a drone costing a few $100 damaging equipment worth millions. Welcome to the new age of warfare. The Russia-Ukraine conflict is rapidly becoming one of the world's first large-scale drone wars, and military experts across the globe are paying very close attention. For decades, wars were dominated by tanks, artillery, fighter jets, and large armies fighting on front lines. But today's battlefield looks very different. Both Russia and Ukraine are increasingly relying on long-range drones, precision strikes, electronic warfare systems, and advanced surveillance technologies. One of the biggest changes is that distance is no longer a guarantee of safety. Ukraine has used drones to target oil refineries, fuel depots, military warehouses, air bases, and logistics centers located hundreds of kilometers away from the front lines. This has demonstrated that even strategically important locations deep inside a country can become vulnerable. Why are drones changing warfare so dramatically? First, they are relatively inexpensive compared to fighter aircraft. Second, they reduce risks because no pilot is placed directly in danger. Third, they can strike specific targets with remarkable precision. And perhaps most importantly, they create constant psychological pressure because attacks can come from unexpected directions at any time. And if you are enjoying these powerful current affairs explainers that simplify complex news into easy to understand stories, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. The conflict has also raised concerns about critical infrastructure. One of the biggest fears involves the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant, the largest nuclear facility in Europe. Any accidental damage to such a site could trigger radiation leaks, environmental disasters, humanitarian crises, and wider regional instability. Another major concern is NATO. NATO, or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, follows a principle called Article 5, which states that an attack on one member is considered an attack on all members. This is why incidents involving missiles, drone debris, or airspace violations near NATO countries are watched very carefully. Military experts say the Russia-Ukraine conflict is revealing the future of warfare. Drone swarms, AI-assisted targeting, electronic warfare, cyber attacks, and hybrid warfare are becoming increasingly important. Countries around the world are now reassessing their air defense systems, drone capabilities, cybersecurity infrastructure, and battlefield strategies. For India, the lessons are extremely relevant. The conflict highlights the importance of indigenous defense manufacturing, advanced surveillance networks, counter-drone technologies, and modern air defense systems.